In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva Letterhead in Word. We'll start in Canva and finish in Microsoft Word. So you can create a clean professional letterhead you can reuse anytime. First, open Canva and search for letterhead. Pick a layout that matches your brand, then customize the colors, fonts, and logo, so it looks exactly the way you want. When you are done, click Share, then Download. For best print clarity, choose PDF print. If you are mostly emailing or working on screen, PNG also works well and keeps the edges crisp. Now switch to Microsoft Word and open a blank document. Double-click at the very top of the page to open the header and footer area. Placing the design in the header helps keep it out of your main text flow so your typing won't nudge the artwork around. Go to the Insert tab, click Pictures, and select the letterhead file you downloaded from Canva. When it lands on the page, right-click the image, choose Wrap Text, and select Behind Text. This makes the letterhead sit behind your content, so you can type freely over it. You can now drag and resize the image. If your design goes edge to edge, stretch it to cover the entire page so there are no white gaps. For precise control, right-click the image again and choose Size and Position. In the Size tab, set the scale for both height and width to 100% to keep proportions accurate and avoid stretching. Then go to the Position tab. Set the horizontal alignment to centered relative to the page, and the vertical alignment to top relative to the page. Click OK. If you still see a sliver of white at any edge, manually drag the corners to nudge the design until it covers the page. Zooming in can help you make fine adjustments. Once the letterhead is positioned, adjust your margins so your text starts exactly where the design ends. Go to Layout, then Margins, and pick settings that keep your content neatly within the blank area of the letterhead. This makes your document look intentional, with text aligned to the visual boundaries of your design. To use this setup again and again, go to File, Save As, and choose Word Template with the .tx format. This way, every time you need a letter on your branded stationery, you can open the template and start typing without rebuilding the layout. That's it. Thanks for watching.